Welcome to Pro Stitcher Designer Tutorials. I'm Kim Sandberg. I'd like to show you how to move the start and end points on a closed shape. It's really pretty simple, and moving the start and end points on a closed shape can create a smoother shape, and it can also create smoother, better stitching, which is what we always want. A design usually starts and stops at a point or intersection on the shape. Starting and stopping along a curved edge may be problematic to the overall look and feel of the quilting. Moving the start-end point is especially important before using a closed shape in other designs like the carousel function. So if you know that you ultimately want to put a design, connect it to another design, where that start and end point is always very important. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's start by opening a new page, new design page. Let's go to Home and click on New, and then we have a new design page load. Next, let's select the Tools tab. And let's click on Artwork. Let's select the leaf shape. And you'll notice that I now have a little leaf connected to my cursor there. And let's just click and drag to draw a leaf pretty much of any size. You get to be the boss of this. Next, let's click on the Shape tool, which is over here. It's the second one down in the Quick Access tools, to reveal the nodes on the design. So if we look at this design, our start and stop point is actually over here on the side. The red dot represents the stop point, and the green dot represents the start point. In case of a closed shape, the green and red dots are right on top of each other, which you can see here. We're going to move the cursor to a point or intersection on the design and click the node to select it. So I'm going to come up here to this one at the top, and we're going to select that node. Then I'm going to do a right click and choose Split Line, and it is going to automatically move that start and stop point from the side here to where I just placed it. Without any further steps, the start and end point are moved. Now you can use this shape and have it connect here in the center, for example, in the carousel. So let's go and choose the carousel feature from the Tools tab. And then I can come down, and you can see that all of my start and end points are out here. I can flip things around, do a 180 here, click Apply, and it will move things in closer. My start and stop points are still out here at the end, which is not ideal for this shape, but I can easily go back and change that. So let's hit Cancel. Let's put my start and end point. I'm going to actually do a split line down here. Now you can see that I've actually split that line in half. So let's do an undo and another undo so that that start point moves back to the original spot. Now I'll do my right click, split the line, the start and end point are here, and when I go up and use my carousel feature again, I change this to 180 and click Apply. Now my start and end points are all very close together in here. When I click OK, my new design loads, and you can see that my start and end points are much closer together. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you have fun playing around with moving that start and end points so that you have designs that stitch out smoother and more even with less jumps.